Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Konggel Sangma ulahap ban ap hadu arkenta tam ban yo tep ye ka vote namar ka jingbon breu Henry ulaong bakani gani ka benta bat ka kamram jong uwei pa uwei nong song snong ba uhap ban le marulaong baka jingwan sakmat jong ki pat ba ban tep ye ki vote jong ki menta ka sengi ka long ka ba itenat par hadu mentaru ulan udang jerong pan nakalyang Konrad Sangma ula kintu ki pat ba jong ka jela bakin wan sakmat pan tep ye ka vote jong ki na ka benta ban jet ya u ne ka nong mi khmat ki ban ya saj hapo ka yeng dor bar thau an ka ri ka lok sabha nalor menteri Rangba hagani ka sengi la sakhiru baka para jong u kepada ka MP Bamenta Natura Parliamentary Constituency kaban nakaseng NPP ka Agatha Konggel Sangmaru kalami nalayeng manlay tep ye ka vote jongka what happening ulan ubajrong ha kaba nakaliang jongkaru kalaong bahak election MP amjodo kam yu i baki breu kin mi but one tep ye ka vote jongki larayenu jor bat ki election hapo assembly Henry hadin ke jing sakhi jong ka jing wan mi ki pat ba ban tep ye ki vote jong ki kani ka long ka dak jong ka jing bha bat ka jing kermen bat hagajo ka por nakaliang ga akatha kala kintui ki pat ba ban ye mi baro ne ka benta ban pendon kam ye ka hok jong ki lingba ne ka ba tep ye ka vote habaya kren bat ki lat pathai khubor nakaliang ga akatha kala ong baka daw ba jong ka jing sa din ka jela ka dei nakadaw jong ka roy ka kiyo batru halor ka du kam du jam bat kani ka sarkar ka bamenta kalayale kat bala ban pun urlong ni ki ai jing duna par ka jo ka por nakaliang ka agatha kala pen pau ye ki jing sngau kemen haga be dei kham tam bat ka jingmi shakmat jong ki kinthei ban thep ye ki vote jong ki
चुपचाप खड़ा रहने से I just finished my casting my vote. I was in the line for approximately more than 2 hours, in fact, and you can see that there are many more people still there behind me, and it's good to see the turnout. It's a healthy democratic practice, and I once again urge everybody to kindly come out and do cast their vote in this election.
Are you optimistic about the election results for the
Yes,
National
we are.
People's Party?
Absolutely. We are very, very optimistic. But as I said, we are still in the election. I mean, of course, we're 100 meters away, but still, we're in the election area, so I would not like to comment too much on it. Thank you.
Generally, in the MP Lok Sabha elections, we don't see a very large turnout in comparison to the assembly elections. And this morning, seeing this large number of people coming out to vote is a very positive sign, and I would encourage our people to exercise this franchise. And yes, it's a wonderful sign, and I'm really grateful to the people for coming out and voting in large numbers.
What are the core issues that affect the locals in the voting actually in Meghalaya?
I think the core issues obviously is development, it's peace, and when I say development, it also includes employment. People want good infrastructure, they want their governments to provide good infrastructure, they want governments to provide job opportunities, and I feel that this government has, fulfilled and delivered on these promises.
So we have seen that females are participating in long, high numbers. What will you say about that?
This is a trend that has been happening for a very long time. In general, you always find that women are way more, aware, and they take a lot of effort to come out and vote. And I'm really grateful that women take this as a very serious right and a duty to come out and vote.